yan sa Primetime Vino, of course.
Yes, kaya naman, eto na ang Double Up servings of Double Up Love Teams. Live from Studio 10, si Tom and Princess at guys.
Hello.
Live sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, si Jason and Melay! Wah! Wah!
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare.
This side of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak.
But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
To touch, I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Melissa and Jason at sa tama natin ngayon si Tom and Princess. Ayan, no?
Ako may gusto lang akong sabihin, Bob.
Anong
Dito
gusto
lang
mo
yan
sabihin?
nangyayari sa ASAP, yung innovation.
Sumasayaw pa rin sila, wala na music ko.
Ay, hindi nila alam kasi naka-live feed sila sa ASAP
Hindi ko alam.
Oo, may
Ako rin hindi ko alam.
Oo, dapat gagawin din natin yung kay Kim tsaka Gerald eh, di ba?
Pero pag tinanong kita kay Kim, halimbawa, nasiwas kitang
Oh,
ganyan.
ganun.
Ang next niya, nakahiga ka,
Oo.
kakanon ako. Ha! Ganun.
UFC yun,
Para maiba
nakakainis
naman.
ka.
Okay guys, may bisita tayo.
Ay, sorry. Eto na, na-carried away tayo. May bisita tayo, sina Tom at Princess.
Ah.
Namuang love story nila sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Alam mo, Tom, alam niyo guys, mga kapamilya, hindi kami pwede magsama dito sa labas ng mall.
Bakit?
Bakit? Pag tinawag kami, tamo, Tom, diba, hindi maganda yung
Ano yan?
tunog eh.
Oh, hindi. How does it feel? Singing
Hoy,
together in ASAP.
Princess, ano ba meron sa inyong dalawa? Bakit
Oo.
parang mayroong kinikilig kayo parehas? Ano ba ang sitwasyon?
Oh.
We're just catching up with each other.
Ano?
Catching up.
Scratching? Magkakamutan kayo?
Hindi, catching up.
Ah,
Oo,
catching up.
How do you catch up?
Yeah, catch up?
We hang out a lot, actually. We spend time together just enjoying each other's company.
So, where do you hang out?
Yeah. Can we
Wala
join?
sa mga mall, pero ngayon medyo mahirap ng konti.
Mahirap sa mall.
Sa game zone, mga ganun, like,
Wow!
karaoke.
Teka lang, ano ba masasabi niyo dito kay Dengue?
Nagulat ka dyan.
May anak na siya eh.
Ba't parang matanda na siya, si Dengue?
Nakalikot yung mata.
Ilang taon ba siya?
No, dahil hindi naman nila alam na live tayo sa ASAP. Yes, Tom, you have something to say.
Yan.
Manood po kayo every night ng PBB Primetime, Uber, and
Upplay. At mamaya po, nasa SM Santa Rosa po kami with the other ex-housemates po, 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
We'll see you
Samahan
guys
niyo
out
po kami
there.
kasi it's so much fun.
And also, Bong, eto
Yes.
na, merong commemorative Pinoy Big Brother Special Issue Magazine. Lahat ng mga naging housemates ni Kuya simula season 1, sila Sam, lahat po, nandito po lahat yan. And also, yung mga host ng season 1, hanggang ngayon nandito din. Yay!
Alam mo, natuwa lang ako sa bulong nito. Sabi niya, saan tayo mag-lunch?
Ay, hindi ako naman.
Ay, di ba yun?
Hindi talaga.
Chismoso pala.
Okay,
Okay.
also, meron ding Viewer's Choice Award for ASAP. Ayan, please keep on voting mga kapamilya. Thank you guys, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
ASAP muna, we'll be right back.